Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to see how we can edit our navigation bar. So for that I'll just open my Salesforce org. I'm already logged into my Salesforce org and I just want to edit my navigation bar. So whatever the tabs you are seeing here, like tasks, files, accounts, contacts, all these tabs, these are placed inside the navigation bar. So what is the way to edit these tabs? Like we can drag our tabs from one place to another. We can surely do this. Also, we can go to this edit icon, click on edit, and here we have all these tabs or the navigation items. We can call them navigation items. If we want to add new navigation item, then we can click on add more items, and from here go to all and you can select them as per your preference. So I'm gonna select like pretty much 10 to 12 of the icons or the items, 10 to 12 items. So I hope this looks good. Click on save, go to more. Now you'll be able to see so many tabs here which we have added. And go to asset tab is there. Can go to asset state periods. All these tabs will be visible. And in the navigation items we can also remove our tabs. From here we can remove the tabs whatever we have added, and if we want to reset the navigation to default, we can surely do that, and it is now again set to default. Click on save. So it's brand new now. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new today. If you like the video, please like the video and comment in the comment section if you have any queries, and share it with your friends. Thank you.